is a Fox 17 Weather Ready Alert.
I know we just had severe weather last night. A lot of us still cleaning up from that, and there's still statewide over 200,000 customers without power. But we have another chance for strong to severe storms again tonight. So you need to be aware that we could see a repeat performance. The energy level's not quite as strong, but there's still that chance from 8 p.m. to around 1 a.m. for some scattered severe storms. Damaging winds are the primary threat, but we can't rule out hail or a brief isolated tornado either. Those are not going to be our primary concerns. We don't have nearly as much rotation or moisture in place, but there's still enough that could be an outside chance. Once we kick this out, though, as we go into next week, I promise much cooler, but not dealing with any severe weather either. So there is a little bit of relief on the horizon here. Looking out over Grand Rapids and the 131 corridor, traffic moving pretty smoothly. We're still seeing a lot of sunshine. There have been some puffy cumulus clouds building in. Temperatures, though, still in the 80s today. A very warm day. But as you go outside and notice, the humidity levels are a lot different. We have less moisture available, but still enough to bring in some of the potential for storms. And if you look back to the west, out towards the Milwaukee area, storms are already popping there. Some of them are severe, primarily for hail. We have a system to our south, which is a strong system, and then another system back to the west. And these are going to slide together right over West Michigan, bringing the energy and potentially a surge of moisture to get some strong to severe storms. So the biggest concern for severe weather well to our south into the Ohio Valley. But we're on the edge of that moisture, and the question is how much moisture can arrive with the energy, because those two things have to come in at the same time to give us a severe weather threat. So it is a little bit uncertain for tonight as to how much of the potential for the severe storms will be able to be realized. But the energy is there, and especially along and south of 96, isolated to scattered severe storms with the gusty winds are going to be the biggest concern. New model run just came in showing that storms delaying until about 9 p.m. They'll still possibly be out over the lake. We could also see a few of them coming up from the south, but the same kind of thing as last night, primarily a line of storms with gusty winds. But if any storms were to form out ahead of that main line, we would have the possibility for some rotation. By 12:30 or 1 a.m., all of that will be starting to move away and starting to diminish in strength as well, but still prepare for a rowdy time frame between around 8 p.m. and midnight. After that, the cooler air swings in, and we'll be looking at 40s and 50s overnight. It's also going to be really, really windy tomorrow as well. Temperatures only getting to about 63, and will be 65 for Sunday. So a cool weekend is ahead. A few showers do linger into tomorrow, but we'll only be dealing with a few showers and then wind gusts that could be upwards of 30 to 35 miles an hour. That's non-thunderstorm related, just a very gusty day. Going into early next week, temperatures stay on the cooler side, low to middle 60s. There is a system that's going to pass to our south through the middle of the week that will bring a couple days worth of scattered showers.